You know, with colder weather coming up, how do you protect your pipes? Hopefully they don't freeze or bust. What do you do? That's coming up next. Keep watching. Here we go. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Well, got another how-to DIY deal for you today. I am right now based in Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth area, and we are actually about to get some cold weather. Supposed to get down into the 20s for the next 3 to 4 days, and I want to make sure that we have got our pipes insulated and ready to go. Now, what I'm going to be using is a new water hose, actually a shorter one. This is 25 foot, and some heated tape, and we're going to walk you through that. Stay with us. Here we go. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now. Ring that bell, give us a like, and leave us a comment. We love comments. Thank you. That is our cheap shameless plug for right now. What we're going to be using today is our Campco 25-foot drinking water hose, and then we're also going to be using our Frost King water pipe heat cable. And I'm going to show you that and how to install it and make sure that you don't have any issues this winter or any winter with your pipes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take our water hose and then take our heat wrap and put around that water hose. Now, you can use all kinds of different things to insulate, or you can leave it the way that it is if you feel comfortable with that. I'm actually going to take tin foil, and where I've got this wrapped around my water hose, take that tin foil and conform it to our water hose and wrap that around. And then where I'm staying at, they have their pipe coming out of the ground that supplies water, but I'm also going to tap into that with our heat tape. It has a deal to hook onto the pipe and to talk to the owners, and they said by all means, please help us out if you think that it's needed. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the pipe, and then wrap our heat tape around our hose, and then insulate it with tin foil. That's how we're going to get this done. So what we did on that is we took our heat wrap and wrapped it around our hose. Now, you can use tape or anything that you like to keep that in place. I used zip ties. I just put one on the front end and one on the back end, and that'll keep it in place. And next thing we'll do is take our aluminum foil, and I'll insulate that with aluminum foil. Now, that's going to work for me. Like I said, temperatures are going to be down in the 20s for the next 3 to 4 days. You might want to take, say, pool noodles that you get from Walmart or pipe insulation and put on there if your temperatures are going to drop below and stay consistent for very many days. For us, this will work for us. So we wrapped that up with good old Reynolds wrap, and I basically did just a double wrap on it, and that should insulate us well enough for the colder temperatures coming our way. Like I said before, if you've got temperatures that are dropping down below freezing, and they're going to stay that way consistently, it's not going to warm up, you may want to go with a different route. Like I said, either pipe insulation or go to Walmart, buy some pool noodles, make a slit in them, and insulate that way. For our situation, this will work just fine. It's supposed to be down in the 20s during the night, and warm back up into the 40s during the day. We just want to make sure that we don't bust anything overnight. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this, and you can take it and apply it and save yourself broken water pipes. Thanks again. Appreciate it. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe. You know, something else that I didn't mention, I don't have heated bays underneath. So what I'm going to do is take a ceramic heater, which I have, and put in where my water bay is, and go ahead and set the temperature on a low setting. That way it protects the pipes. I'm not trying to heat it up like I would inside, but just to keep it warm underneath that bay. For those of you that are lucky enough to have heated bays, great. I don't, but that's something that you might want to consider. If you don't have a heated bay, just take a little ceramic heater and put it underneath. That'll help you out.